How to stop YouTube from recommending videos? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to control YouTube recommendations and remove unwanted videos or channels from your feed. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials. First, open YouTube and go to the home page. Now, scroll through your recommended videos feed. If you see a video you don't want recommended, tap on the three dots next to that video. Select Not Interested to remove that video from your recommendations. YouTube will use this feedback to improve your future suggestions. If you want to stop seeing videos from a specific creator, tap the three dots again. This time, select Don't Recommend Channel. Now, YouTube will stop showing videos from that channel in your home feed. You can still search for the channel or watch their videos manually anytime after. After making changes, refresh your YouTube homepage to see updated recommendations. The more feedback you give, the better YouTube learns your interests and customizes your feed. And that's it. That's how you can stop YouTube from recommending unwanted videos easily.